Hey guys, Mr. Gardner here. I want to go over last week's work with you real quick because I'm seeing some of the same little mistakes being made. So I just want to go over it really fast with you, show you how some of these problems should be being done, and then it basically just gives you an answer key to check your own work. So this first problem, I have -7 and I have 9. Now if you remember back, if you think about the rules and we're going to be using, if they're different signs, you're going to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So 7 is smaller than 9, so we're going to subtract 7 from 9. And we're going to keep the sign of the bigger number. Well, 9's bigger and it's positive, so our answer should be positive. So to show it mathematically, we just do 9 minus 7, and we get 2. And we know that it has to be positive, so it's positive 2. Now in a model, just so I can model this for you so it makes more sense, let's think if I had 7 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but I had 9 positives. Again, in our 0 pairs, we're going to see all these make 0, and I'm left with 2 positives. Well, there's that answer right there. Okay? So that's really nice. Again, let's look at this problem right here. Now, we have a negative and a negative. Our rules say when they're both negative, you just add them and keep the sign. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And again, they're both negative, so it should be -9. Again, with a model, let's just look. 1 negative, 2 negatives, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's telling me to add another negative. So I add that one in. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 negatives. Okay. Again, number 3 is the same as this rule. Okay, there are different signs. I'm going to subtract them. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is the bigger number, so this is going to be a positive 4. Let's practice that some more. 6 and 12. 12 is bigger. 12 minus 6 gives me 6. The 12 is the bigger number, positive 6. 2 negatives, just like this one. You're going to add up the two numbers. 8 plus 5 is 13. They're both negative, so it's -13. Different signs. Subtract them, keep the sign of the bigger number. So 11 minus 2. I'm going to get rid of this one. That's going to give me 9. This is the bigger number, positive 9. Again, different signs. Subtract. Minus 15. That gives me 4 and 3. 49 is a bigger number, positive 34. Go over this one. Now we have a little different case. The negative is the bigger number. I'm still going to do the same rule, though. I'm going to subtract 30. Okay? And I'm going to only worry about that sign at the bottom, so we don't have to think about that right now. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. -17. Okay, over here, same thing. 49 minus 27. I get 2 and 2. Again, that's the bigger number. This is positive. Let's come over to this one. Now I subtract 9 because it's the smaller number. And I get 0 and 2. -29 is the bigger number. Okay? So we're going to keep negative as the sign. So this answer here is -20. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of help on this particular assignment. And maybe you can see where the little mistake you might have been making was, either on the signs of your answers or maybe just in the setup of the problem.